Alright guys, so today we got this Tacoma. It's a 2018 model. This is the off-road TRD 4x4. And we're going to be replacing the low beams and the high beams. It will be using the same bulb in each headlight. So it'll be H11. So you need two sets of these, okay? So let's get this started. It's very simple. We're going to start over here because we get a little bit more viewing angle compared to the other side, because you got your reservoir tank there for your windshield washer. And we got the battery here, so there's more space here to actually get a camera in there and show you how that works. But it's very straightforward. All you're gonna do is pretty much reach in, locate your low beam and your high beam, counterclockwise to twist off, and then disconnect their harnesses, and you're good to go. You're gonna pop in your new bulbs and get everything done. So let's get that started. So right here, we're right at the back of the headlight. You can see right here is your turn signal, and next to it is your high beam, and then the one all the way over here, hidden right behind the fender, that's gonna be your low beam. So we're just gonna disconnect that real quick, just like that. You're just gonna push that little clip in, the one right here, slide that off, counterclockwise, and your bulb is out. This is an H11 for the low beam, and the actual bulb in the high beam is gonna say H9, but our H11 will fit the H9, H8, and H16s. So you don't have to worry about that, it'll go in it, okay? So let's get this replaced. We prepare our bulbs, make sure everything's connected, make sure everything is aligned before you start it, because they do have a way you gotta connect these. So make sure these are properly connected. Make sure you lock it. And then at this point, what you're gonna do, one quick tip, is that due to the new Plus series, they have adjustable bases. I recommend turning it all the way counterclockwise, so you can see there that this is moving. So make sure you lock it all the way counterclockwise until it doesn't move no more. So like that, it'll save you time trying to install this, because if you don't, you're gonna be spinning it until it finally locks. So just save yourself some time, get this lined up. And also another quick thing, make sure that the design of this, you see how there's a slant right here, or slope, make sure it's going downwards and not upwards, okay? This is gonna be the wrong direction. You wanna have it like this. And those chips have to be facing left and right. So let's get that in here. Okay, right there, the bulb has locked already, so it's in place. And what you're gonna do, because I can feel like this is not correct where it's supposed to be, and take that out. And if I remember correctly, the cable, with the cable facing down, it should be the position I need. So once I got that in there, reinsert your bulb with the cable facing down, and it should be good to go. So now plug it in. Your harness should be color coded. Not sure if you can actually see it here, but you would have a red cable and a white with the black stripe cable as well. So that red cable is your power and the other one is your negative. So just match those up. And light it up to test to make sure you got it working. So this is just a quick comparison. This is what you want to get once you get this installed. If you see that you're getting something completely different from this, then just revise your position of your bulb. And like that, you'll know if you got it incorrectly or not, and just adjust it. Once the bulb is locked in place, you can actually twist just the bulb unit itself, either left or right. As long as it hasn't locked yet, you can turn it and just make sure you get this proper light pattern, okay? You don't want to get anything that's pretty much completely off. So just a quick example. Right now it's set where it's supposed to be, and this is how it would look if it was installed wrong, okay? You can see there's a big shadow now moving there. If you go the other way, you can see now how the pattern starts to distort. Your light just keeps changing. So you want to make sure you get a proper pattern, which should be in this position, okay? And just like that, you complete the installation. Very simple. Make sure those chips are facing left and right, and that slope is going downwards, okay? So it's gonna be the same procedure on the other side. You're gonna want to pretty much just go to your passenger side. It's a little bit more trickier because you got the windshield washer reservoir right there. So, but it's still doable, no issues. You should be able to do this with no problems. Just reach in there, same procedure, remove that cable, turn off, take out your bulb and put in the new one, all right? So let me show you the projection just so you can see how they look before we take off the halogen. Since we're here already, we're gonna actually go with the high beam as well and get it done. So same procedure, disconnect it, counterclockwise to remove, pop that out, get your new bulb ready. Same procedure like we did with the low beam. Make sure you lock everything, make sure everything is lined up correctly. Make sure you pre-lock your base before you install so you don't have to be stuck spinning it in there. Line it up. And just like we said, our H11 will fit the 8, 9, and 16s, okay? So you're gonna line that up real quick. And earlier I couldn't show you this because it's kind of buried behind here, the fender, but on this one, you can see, this is what I mean. You can actually remove the unit from the actual base. So once it's locked, you can just slide the bulb out. You might need to wiggle it a bit and just pull it out and it'll come out. And remember, you want it in this position, okay? So just make sure you put it back in. Lock in place. Get your cable, connect it. This one's color coded as well. This one has looks like a solid white line and a white and black line. So same thing, the solid is gonna be your power. Match it up. See, where are you? Look at this one. Just connect it and always test. So we light up that up. So there you have it, guys. We got this completed. This is a 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 off-road TRD model. And we got both the low beam and the high beam replaced with our LSplus series bulbs. These are the H11s. And as you can see right now, we got the high beam activated. Let's activate just the low beam. You see the difference in power. So do it one more time. And the reason why this happens is because one, you got 2 bright LEDs in here. 2, the high beam is not restricted like the projector lens. The actual lens has a little mechanism inside that gives you that cutoff line, and the high beam does not. So you're gonna get the full potential blast coming out at all times. And then pretty much from there, guys, if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. That's all we got for today. Thank you for watching.